In this video, we will be doing the following three problems. Find the value of all letter variables in the following figures. So the first two, this one and this one, involve angle bisectors, and this last one involves transversals of parallel lines. Now, the first thing to remember for angle bisectors, which people usually forget this far into a geometry class, is that they create proportions. So then if this is A and this is B and this is C and this is D, then A over B will equal C over D. You can also see conceptually that you could do A over C equals B over D. And you can see that mathematically, if we were to bring the B up and the C down, A over C equals B over D. So those are the same thing. So then using the numbers we have here, this whole segment is X, this is 2, and then this segment will be X minus 2. So then 6 over 4 will equal X minus 2 over 2. Rearranging, we get 12 equals 4X minus 8, and then 4X equals 20, and then X equals 5. So then plugging that back in, we get that this is 5, and then that will be 3. So 6 over 3 is 2, 4 over 2 is 2, and we have our check. So now coming over to here, we have 5, and then we have 2, so that's 3. So also last time we built our proportion up sort of laterally across the two angles. This time we're going to go this way. So then X over 3 equals 6 over 2. Therefore, X equals 18 over 2, and then X equals 9. So bringing this back up, we have 9. 9 over 3 is 3. 6 over 2 is also 3. Another way to check it, you could say also 9 over 6 is 3 halves, and then 3 over 2 is also 3 halves. Now coming over to here, to set up the proportions over here, we remember that we have two transversals of the same sets of parallel lines. Therefore, the proportion of any two of them, say FG over AB, will be the same as the proportion of FH over AC, FI over AD, HI over CD, and so on. So now you'll notice we have a variable between A and C, and we have a variable between D and E, but we have numbers here and here. So CD to HI is 15 to 10. So that will equal X, this one, over 4 plus 6, which is 10. So that will be X over 10. And therefore, X equals 15. Then 15 over 10 equals Y over 12. So Y over 12. And rearranging that gets us Y equals 12 times 15 over 10. Dividing 12 and 10 by 2, we get 6 over 5. And then 15 over 5 is 3. So then Y equals 18. So then bringing these up here, we can say that Y is 18 and then X is 15. Now, we are not asked for AB or BC, but we could take this further and do either of these. So let's do that. So again, the proportion of BC to GH will be the same, 15 over 10. And then 15 over 10, remember, that is going to be 3 halves if we divide both by 5. And then equals BC over 6. So then BC equals 6 times 3 over 2. And then BC equals 9. That will be 9 right here. And then for the last segment, AB, we can just do 15 minus 9, which is 6. And as a check, 6 is 3 halves of 4. 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 2 is 6, and there you go. Now, everyone forgets the angle bisector theorem with the proportions A over B equals C over D or A over C equals B over D. Make sure you write that out 5 or 6 times. Everyone forgets, then they get to an exam and they've forgotten how to do it and they panic. When if you'd just written it out several times while you're studying, you'll have it and you won't have to worry about it on a test.